G'day folks, and welcome back to Metalmania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. I'm just finishing off from the other video here of unpacking another box that I've discovered, and this is some of the ones from the last boxes. That custom Fairlane. Oh, go back there. Oh, we're onto the turntable. There we go. It's a replica box by someone else, not me, that's for sure. But anyway, can't remember what it was that I got from them a long time back. And holy smokes, it's a Sing Gazelle, which we call a helmet minx or whatever else there. It's a bit bigger scale than 164, of course. It's around a 143 sort of thing, I guess you would call that. It's pretty bizarre beast, quite collectible, very collectible, all steel top and bottom. Someone has painted this and pulled it apart. Good part about it is all the body is in good shape. Everywhere else there, glass will clean up a treat, polish up, strip all off there, it's all metal everywhere else there. We'll fix the base up a bit better. The base is a bit mangled there, if you can notice. It's all buckled and twisted. But we'll fix all that up, and this will come at the end of another video. But yeah, it's a pretty cool machine. Like I was saying, I didn't make that box. And oh, these ones here, this is a gold mine find. Here we go. Absolute gold mine find. Absolutely beautiful. Matchbox series number 75, Ferrari Berlentia, or Berlentia, however you want to say it, made in England. You would have seen one of these. It's pretty good shape, except for the paint. The paint windscreen's popped out at the front a bit, but it needs to be put back in. But otherwise, tow bar's intact. It's all metal top and bottom. The old school Lesney. Oh, here comes another nice one. This is another old school Lesney, E-type Jaguar, made in England by Lesney, number 32. That's actually in really good nick, except for the little bit of the paint peel on the hood, or the roof, the turret I should say, not the hood. Have a look at that little beast. But no, absolutely gorgeous, both of them. Absolutely awesome, aren't they? Oh, they're in good nick. Yeah, well, so yeah, now going into my collection. I'm glad I'm able to sort all of this out. And here we are, we've got a little Lesney. Yeah, there's heaps of different versions of this number 37 Carrier Bantam 2-ton Coca-Cola truck. This is one version. There's the base. There's 4 versions, and I'll have them all. This one here all stacked correctly. You've got one that's unstacked, different crates, you've got different bases, different wheels and everything. So just put those two little gorgeous machines down there and run that around. Don't want to make this one too long. So here we go. Oh, found a box of Lesneys, obviously. What have we got here? We've got the Comma bottle float, made in England by Lesney. Number 21, I think it is. Yep, there we go. In pretty good shape, pretty good neck. Got it, same as that one there's in really good shape. That Lesney, some beautiful neck. Put that one down there. Oh, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. The old made in England, Elvis Stalwart, number 61. Matchbox made in England series. Tyres are all hard, but it's easy enough to get them fixed. All of it's there. It'll be ready for a restoration somewhere along the line. Somewhere along the line we'll get into that. Good part about it is it's all complete. Anybody who restores these things, here we go. We're just talking about these Bantams. Bantam trucks. Oh, there we go. Probably going to pull out all the ones that are the same for the moment. Number 37, number 37s, yep, they're all the same. Yep, so they're all the same. there's another one of those. Now you see what I mean by I've got thousands of it. These here have collected over the years. There's three. Three of those are all the same. But they're all in good restorable condition. A couple of bent axles and twisted body panels, but you expect that, don't you, at the end of the day? Here we go. Beautiful. All doors are there as well. Old Bedford. See, well, Lomas ambulance. Old Bedford. I'll call it a Bedford truck anyway. Well, most of you, when you look at it, you'll know what I'm talking about in Australia, or no doubt England and places like that. There, that's in pretty good shape. Doors and all that there, everything's there. It's the non-windscreen model, obviously. Get rid of these guys off there. These are in pretty good nick. What else we got find in this box? Okay, here we go. This one here will need restoring a bit later on down the track there. Everything seems to be there. Back wheels are a bit ugly, but nevertheless, when we do a farm series or something like that, there we'll endeavour to restore that one there. And yeah, this is in pretty well mint condition, this one here, even including the hook, because the hooks were plastic on them there. Number 30, the 8-wheel crane, Lesney. It's in pretty well mint condition, that. It'll sort of go into storage. There's little bust, an old Moko Lesney, one of the old school ones. This is definitely a Lesney box. That's for sure. You're not getting down to that. Yep. Seen these in your day here, the old Albion Chieftain, both of them here. Old school trucks. Extra ones that I've got of the other ones I'm going to do tricky things with and all that sort of stuff. Because the ones here I've got way too many of the same sort of old school one there, but we're also working on building this up a full collection, and at the end of the day I should be able to do that. See, as there's ones like that in that condition there, even though that's got a bit of the tampo missing there, but that's all original, unpulled apart, not restored or anything else there. I wouldn't touch that. I would leave that alone into my collection. Let's see what else we're finding there. Oh yeah, another Lesney with the trailer as well. All the hooks are in place. It's missing the canopies off them. I'm pretty sure they used to have canopies on these here. The Matchbox Mercedes trucks with the trailer. Would have seen these in your day. Or people that haven't, these are the old English stuff, all made in England. All the Lesneys, and then there's the trailer that used to follow on behind it. Hooks onto the hook. All the hooks are still there. Everything's all still in place. It's in pretty good shape. Alright, so yeah. We're just about at the end. Oh wow, look what I just found at the end. Found one of the tricky cars I've been looking forward to. I want to do it. Absolutely gorgeous. The D-type Jaguar, made in England, number 41. I've got a few other ones of these in way better shape than this, but I'm looking forward to restoring it and also putting the driver back in there. It's missing the driver. But yeah, that's all. And these are the plastic wheels. These come in a few different versions. We also got metal wheels as well. Just checking to make sure that they aren't metal wheels. No, they're the Bakelite wheels. Yep. Cool little beast to restore. And here's another little bus in really good condition there. Different sizes, of course, there. That's what I was saying there. Now, these are budgies. You can tell that these are budgies. They're budgie model tanker. These are all the different tankers. All in the different, all well worn and used, of course, and all that sort of stuff. But all pretty collectible. Well, in my books, they're all pretty collectible. At the end of the day, everyone's got a different choice in what they want to collect, and crash bang off to the wreckers with that one. Right, okay, let's see if we get. We're not going to get them all to stay on there, I don't think. try my hardest. Let's see. Now all the budgie tankers came out sort of same era as all your Lesney stuff there. They're all metal, don't have any bases in them. They have, let's see which one we can safely take off without creating a domino effect. The steel axle straight to them, the bases, and they're all supposed to exactly the same underneath there. I've got the other ones in another box too somewhere because I've got the whole lot of them, but that's all metal everywhere. Same as that other one, there's metal. And guess what? That's the end of that box. So thanks very much again, folks, for watching, and hope you brought some memories for the older folk when we were kids and all that sort of stuff there. As I remember these when we were kids. Give you a bit of an idea. Say no more. And nice little bunch of collectibles there. Some of them need restoring and some of them I won't touch at all, but yeah. Alright guys, take care, stay safe, look after yourselves. We'll get hopefully the new oven that I've ordered will turn up soon, and that way I can get back into painting. Again, just too cold at the moment, and I always use the oven. It just makes the paint job way better when you paint something. It just, anyway, if you're in the industry you'll understand what I mean. Alright guys, take care. Talk to you again on the next one. Bye now.